somebody, help me to help somebody else.
There he is, that same dude standing on the side of the road. He's holding a sign that says falling on hard times. My heart cries out to him. So I stop and I empty my pocket of my loose change. It was about $1. Now I'm feeling too strange. Think about what I got in my wallet. Over $100, but I ain't got any change. Next to a store, but it would be out of my way. And what can you get for $1 today? And what if I was in his shoes? Would I want $1 or to be offered some help with all of my issues? By the grace of God, I've been cool. And here's this helpless beggar. Was $1 really for you, or was it just to make myself feel better? Thinking my trash is somebody else's treasure. I'm reminded of 1 John 3:17. If I got material things and see my brother in need and have no pity on heed and G, how can the love of the deity be in me? I could've went to the store, but I didn't think it was important enough. I call myself a Christian, my conscience calling my bluff. All of my stuff, I look at the man and it hurts me as the light turns green. Yo, I'm in a hurry and I'm all feeling like I just did wrong. That's the reason why I wrote this song.
Lord Jesus, help me to help somebody. Hey, help somebody else. Lord Jesus, help me to help somebody. Help somebody else. Lord Jesus, help me to help somebody. Hey, help somebody else.
One day, I'm in the grocery store, minding my biz. I see Shorty walking in with all of these little kids. They all had ghetto names, but all of them spelled the same, but pronounced differently. She was about 23. Her baby's being loud as can be. I can look in her eyes and tell that she was out of energy. That's too bad. My crew grabbed like 2 bags of chips. Shorty's in the corner figuring the food stamps, trying to see how much remains on the card. She got a basket full of stuff and she praying to God that there's enough, cause she had to use the cash for the Pampers. Kids acting up, I wanted to ask where their dad was. It ain't my business, so I'm minding my own. Head for the checkout line, it's finally time to be gone. I see Shorty coming, I let her get in front of me. Clerk ringing it up, she asked him how much is it gonna be. 103, 15 is a total, she went over the limit. Hold up a minute, she opened her purse and started digging. I got $30 to my name, she off by 28, and that's all my money, so I didn't bother. The girl's eyes started to water, she looking for what she can put back. Everyone in line looking at her like a hood rat. She putting stuff back, I'm feeling like crap, that's it. I'm helping every chance that I get, for real.
Lord Jesus, help me to help somebody. Hey, help somebody else. Lord Jesus, help me to help somebody. Help somebody else. Lord Jesus, help me to help somebody. Hey, help somebody else.